Hey, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox one of the special things that I have received from OnePlus. Yes, I have ordered OnePlus Nord from the OnePlus store. OnePlus Nord comes in two variants, one with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, other with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. So I have ordered the max variant of 12 gigs and 256 gigs of storage. This is going to be the black Onyx, and let's go unboxing here. The packing looks really awesome and I really love this package. And here we see the OnePlus mentioning we have a special delivery for you, the new OnePlus, and a whole lot of speed too. Yeah, it's going to be amazing to unbox this now. Here we have a tamper which can be torn, and this is really a great package from OnePlus. Thanks to OnePlus again. Okay, let's start this tampering and find out what is there inside the box. Before that, let's go through the specifications of OnePlus Nord. OnePlus Nord is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G CPU along with Adreno 620 GPU and a battery with a power of 4115 mAh along with a web charge of 30 watt. We have a fluid AMOLED display along with a 90Hz refresh rate with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. This comes with the 4 cameras in the rear and 2 cameras in the front, and the rear camera comes with 14 megapixels of Sony IMX586 main camera along with 8 megapixel of ultra wide angle lens, 5 megapixel of depth lens and 2 megapixel of macro lens with a dual flash LED. And the front camera is equipped with 32 megapixel of Sony IMX616 sensor and 8 megapixel of ultra wide angle lens. So quickly moving on to the unboxing, here we see the wrapped sealed Nord along with the title Nord on its top of its head, and it has a blue lid along the side of the openings, and it is pretty much awesome and I love this package a lot. Okay, let's wrap it up and see what's there in the content of OnePlus Nord. Okay, let's open the box now. So quickly we are removing the top, and yeah, here it is. Here we see this way Nord, and here we have the phone here which is beautifully wrapped and covered up. Okay, let's take this up. Besides this, we see the black cardboard which has a transparent case along with the paperworks and few stickers that has been provided from the OnePlus. The transparent case provided by the OnePlus has a good texture at its back. It is of good quality, I would say. And okay, let me keep that aside. Inside this cardboard we see the OnePlus Nord stickers, and along with that we see the red cable membership card and a quick start guide along with a welcome letter from the OnePlus that we usually get with along all OnePlus devices, and few other paperworks as well. So let me keep them aside, and okay, quickly moving on with other contents in the package. We see here the 30-watt wrap charger and with the beautiful red colored cables. So these are the contents that we have from the OnePlus Nord unboxing, and it's pretty much awesome to see the OnePlus Nord that has given a good kind of package. And besides that, this is one of the best mid-range smartphones that has been launched in the 2020. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. See you guys next time.